Hi and welcome to the Covert Gawkr installation video tutorial. And first of all, thank you very much for purchasing your copy of our Covert Gawkr theme. In this first video tutorial, I'm going to cover how to download, install and activate the Covert Gawkr theme and how to find all the stuff you need inside the theme, including the additional tutorial videos. Now you want to watch the tutorial videos inside the theme because each step in the theme setup wizard has a short step-by-step tutorial video showing you exactly what to do. And I'll show you in a bit how to find and play these videos. But first we need to download and install the theme. So you can download your Covert Gawkr theme from the link below. So if you click the link below, it will start download of a zip file. And you need to remember where you save that zip file to because you're going to need it in a bit when we head into our WordPress admin area to install the theme. And that's what I'm going to do now so you can see how that is done. And here we are inside my WordPress admin area. I'm now going to show you how to install the Covert Gawkr theme. Now in order to install the theme, first you go to Appearance out here in the left hand side menu and you go to Themes. And on the themes page you have up here a button that says Add New and you click on that one. And then you click on Upload Theme because we already have the zip file downloaded to our computer, so you just click on Upload Theme. And then it says here if you have a theme in zip format, which we do, you may install it by uploading it here. So you click on Browse and then you find your theme. I have it on my desktop, I believe. So I downloaded it to my desktop. You may have downloaded it to your downloads folder or to wherever you normally download to by default. But you want to locate the Covert Gawkr.zip file. When you have that, you just press open and it's in here and then you can click install now. And now WordPress will automatically install the theme for you. And there we go. It is now installed on your blog. The final thing to do here is to click to activate to make it the theme that is actually used on your blog. So that's it now. Now if we go to theme options here, you will notice that we have not put in our activation yet. So that is the next step we need to do. And in order to see how to do that, you can click the watch tutorial video button here and that will show you exactly how to activate the theme. And all the additional steps in here also have these watch tutorial video buttons on, and if you click that, a video pops up, as you can see there, inside the theme, so you can watch the tutorials in the theme as you're working without having to go somewhere else. So remember that. And when you go in here, you've activated the theme, you need to put in your license code, which is your JavaScript transaction ID. And if you need help doing that, click the tutorial video here. And for all the other steps in the theme, there is also a tutorial video button if you need help. So click the button and watch the video in the places that you need help with.